Hello everybody, welcome back. JTS episode number 22 here. In my previous teaser video, I showed these three items here. They're still wrapped. I haven't opened them since I purchased them when I was in Japan. So this is the video where I'm going to show the contents of them. So in that last episode, I had the opener where I had the two bullet trains going by. That is at Mishima, Japan, in Shizuoka Prefecture. So if you ever in that area or at that station and you have time, go take a look at this mom and pop's operation, third generation, family owned and operated. Not a cutlery store, but edged tool store. So this is your neighborhood shop that mothers, fathers, children go to if they need to purchase scissors or various cutting cutlery, cutting knives, edge tools once again. So why don't I get going with opening these items? So as you can tell, while I was shopping at the store, I picked out the items that I wanted. I set them aside, and not the owner, but the son of the owner happened to be there, and he actually wrapped these items himself without me knowing. So that's kind of cool. At least when I was living in Japan, it was kind of customary to wrap whatever product that you buy, whether it's a gift item or not. It was pretty customary for have them wrap them individually. So let's go ahead and open this. So this wrapping paper is this store's wrapping paper with the store sticker. Okay, so why don't I just open all of these at once? A little reveal here. I don't think I've really done any unwrapping episodes. So that is a nail clipper. That is a tweezer. So this bigger item, bigger box here. This is an actual gift. It's not mine. But I'm just gonna say it. This is for my mother-in-law, who likes to do as a hobby tailoring. She's not a tailor by trade, as a hobby. Anyhow, let's take a look at this packaging, this paper wrapper. So that is杉山. That's the family name.刃物店is edge tool. They specialize in edged tools. So as you can see, these are the things that they carry and sell. So why don't I make that as a new backdrop? So if you've watched my first episode, JTS episode, I did feature a nail clipper, and I didn't buy the exact same thing. This is the one that I purchased a couple of years ago, I think it was. This was a size L. So I used this for over, I don't know, maybe a couple of years now. Is this focus working for me? Strange. Okay. So yeah, I've used this without any troubles. Works as I expected. However, I just thought coming from a medium one, this was the one that I was using for a couple decades. Same brand. So this is a medium. I stepped up to a large size. It's not cumbersome by any means to use, but it was a little bit larger than I was, I guess, accustomed to from using this one for so many years. So I decided to get the medium size of this Parada version. So there you have it. I'll leave the details. Well, I'll leave a link down below in the description for the first JTS episode where I discussed about the features of this guy here. So that's that. I don't think anything has really changed. It's just a size difference. Yeah, just a cursory check here. Yeah, things look to be... Oh, my focus is not working very well. Sorry, guys. So I'll leave that one to the side and moving over to this one here. This brand, Green Bell, is fairly common. Readily available, readily found in various stores. Even some convenience stores will carry Green Bell products, including tweezers. So these are made in Japan. Yes, are they made in Japan? Yes, they are. So I did get to try them out in the store, just to test out the efficiency of these tweezers. Sorry guys, I'm not sure why the focus is not working. Should be autofocus. Okay. Let's take a look here. I just got some microfiber cloth here. Let's see if it can take away these really fine strands. Obviously I'm looking through the camera, so okay, see the fiber, super tiny fiber. Oh yeah, it's able to certainly remove that super fine fiber. If I can get this to focus, one more here. Yeah, no problem. Likewise, I wouldn't expect to have any problems plucking, human hair. Oh yeah, no problem. Okay, so that is to complement tweezers that I already have. This is what my wife bought some years ago. It's been dropped a couple times. It still works okay. This, I believe, was I could be wrong. I think it's a Tweezer Man, and I believe it was manufactured in the US. I could be wrong though. Comparing the tips, fairly similar. Two different styles. This has a nice surface area for good control over your index and thumb. Quite different. This is more a standard profile shape design. Not sure what that is for. Maybe for alignment purposes. Stainless steel. Looks like some spot welds. Okay, so I'll leave that to the side. And now to the, I would say the main highlight of this video is these scissors or shears from Shozaburo. Shozaburo is a third generation, if I'm understanding correctly. Third generation operation in Tokyo. They've been in the business, at least in the scissor making business, for over 100 years. So let's take a look at the contents here. These are, I'm just going off of memory here, I think the longest one that they had in the store Shozaburo. So these are tailor shears. So again, as I discussed, this is a gift for my mother-in-law, who, as a hobby, likes to do some dressmaking. Shozaburo Tobasami, Japan. So this is a model A240. So the blade is let's see, 240 millimeters long. It's got a nice finish to this, kind of reminiscent of a laminated steel construction of a samurai katana sword. Well, this is a laminated steel, actually. So they got a malleable cast iron handle, which is welded onto the blades, which use I believe it's white steel, and it is laminated tool steel. Actually, I'm not going to say tool steel because there are different types available. Interesting. Well, I shouldn't say. I'm not an expert by any means, but these are serviceable if they were ever to be dropped, dulled. They can be serviced. Ultra smooth operation here. Beautiful piece. These are not, of course, there is automation in the production of these Japanese tailor shears. However, there is a lot of manual, analog, manual input into the making of these shears from start to finish. See the tips here. Well, I don't have too many things to cut here, but I got this microfiber cloth here. At the store I didn't get to get a chance of cutting anything, so I'm gonna test it out on this microfiber. Alright, as I would expect. Let's see what the tips do. Alright, no problem. Seems to be good. Now these are not meant to be used with cutting paper, so because paper can have foreign inclusions like sand, which may accelerate the wear of the shears, the cutting edge. Well, let's take a look at the product card here. I would imagine this would be all in Japanese, and as I expected, that is the case. Yeah, I'll leave a description down below as to the actual product number, which actually I did mention that earlier, A240. So I don't know what the A stands for. Actually, I don't think it's even mentioned in here. Alright, anyhow, yeah, I'll provide some more detail as to the type of steel that is used on this particular model. So there you have it. That covers this episode. So until next time, you guys have a pleasant day.